Hi guys, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and we're going to make a couple of cards from Anna Griffin's kit, and I'm going to show you how I try to do this. Okay, so I already made half of them, so I'm actually looking at what I've made. So I'm going to move the envelopes out of the way, and I'm going to lay the cards out. Lay the cards out, and I separate it by half. What I do is make sure they're all facing the right way. They already have sentiments inside, and so this was half, and I already did half. So then I took half of all the supplies and I used it and divided it so that I knew I had half to do and half already done. So since I already divided this, so let me see, this one I'm going to put here, this one I'm going to put here, and the reason why is see how the vellum matches, and this is going this way, how the vellum matches. Let's see. I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to put that one there. I'm going to put that one there and that one there. Okay? Then I had half of these. So everyone gets a little ribbon already done, so that's easy. So we just put one on each. The sentiments I try to match also. So what I do is read the inside of the card and make sure the outside of the card has got the same sentiment. And so that purple, the reason why I chose purple was because this had purple and this had purple. This is pink, so it kind of works together. This blue looks good with this blue, so that works together. Let me see, what else do I have here? I'll show you my cards at the very end. That one works together. This one I like because it goes in the round part, so that works in the center of the round. That green matches this green. This pink matches really well with the back of the card, and see it's got purple in it, so we chose the purple, and so that works together. And the last one is that, and see how this is kind of round and that fits in the center of that. Okay, you have pop dots that comes with it. I may have to show you how to put them together, and then the next card be putting them together. Put that there, put that there, the purple, the two roses is matchy-matchy. That could go there. Let's see, these can go here, can go there. Let's bring that to this one. We could use that one there. We may not even use these at all, or we can use them there. Okay, so I think on the next video I'll show you how to put them together, the tips and tricks. But we have two of everything, and they're going the opposite direction. I already divided them, and and saw what matched what. So these two go well with these because, no, with these because of what's on it. I put these two on those and it matched well. Put these two on those. Put these two on those. See how the roses match the vellum. I put these on these because you can see how they match here and here. And these two are these right here, and they all match. So I'm going to show you the cards, and then my next video up will be them together. So here is a card already done. Here's one of my cards already done. Here is a card already done. See the layers, and you don't see the glue underneath the vellum. I do show you how to get away with that. Here you go. I haven't signed the back yet, but these are condolence cards, and I like to have them made for the ready because you don't want to make them when you have to. It's too much, it's sad. So there you go, guys. There are the cards. See how what it would look like before and after. So there you go. If you share anything that I do of Anna Griffin, I do give a monthly giveaway of dies that are worth $45 to $65 if you live in the United States. So if you share and follow. This is once again called Simply Sympathy Card Making Kit from Anna Griffin. The link to her store will be down in the comments. Thank you for following. Have a blessed day.